इट इज़ वेल सेड बाय मंडेला सर। कोई काम तब तक इम्पॉसिबल लगता है जब तक उसे किया न जाए। जीतने की जिद हो तो मंडेला सर जैसी हो। 75 ईयर्स की एज में फर्स्ट ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट बने, रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को रिमूव किया, 27 ईयर्स जेल में रहे, वो भी लोगों की भलाई के लिए। इतना सब कुछ करना, इट्स रियली सैल्यूट टू नेल्सन मंडेला सर। इसलिए जीतने के लिए जिद होना ज़रूरी है, जिद्दी बनना पड़ता है। आज की क्लास में आपके लिए 25 इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs का एक टेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। टेस्ट को ऑनेस्टली अटेम्प्ट करें। आउट ऑफ 25 कितना स्कोर कर पाए मुझे भी कमेंट बॉक्स में राइट करें। सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक, रॉक द टेस्ट। सो हेयर इज क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट। नेल्सन मंडेला टुक ऑथ ऑन। नेल्सन मंडेला ने प्रेसिडेंट बनने की शपथ कब ली? 10 मई 1994, 10 जून 1994, 13 मई, 13 जून। Select your option. Nothing to confuse. I think you have selected. So right option is 10th May 1994, option A. Who accompanied Nelson Mandela on the inauguration? इनॉग्रेशन पर नेल्सन मंडेला को किसने कंपनी दी? मिस्टर डी क्लार्क, थाबो एम्बेकी, जैनानी, फर्स्ट डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट। Select your option. Take your own time. Done. Right option is option C, Janani, and she is his daughter. What did Mandela pledge? मंडेला सर ने क्या शपथ ली? To eradicate any form of discrimination, uphold the constitution, to build up the country's infrastructure, all of the above. Select your option. Select wisely. So right option is option B, uphold the constitution. Mandela promised to devote his life for safety of the soldiers, welfare of the people, welfare of black people, safety of orphans. Select your option. I think you have selected. So right option is option B, welfare of the people. The comrades of the author made him aware about the meaning of starvation, the meaning of respect, the meaning of courage, the meaning of love. Right option is थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, ऑप्शन सी, द मीनिंग ऑफ करेज। Very important question. The author defines courage is not the absence of fear, but rather afraid of it, but rather the triumph over it, but presence of shivering, but rather reject it. Select your option very wisely. It is important one. Right option is option B, but rather the triumph over it. The inauguration was to celebrate the installation of South Africa's first capitalist government, South Africa's first democratic government, South Africa's communist government, none of the above. थोड़ा सा सोचना होगा. So right option is option B, South Africa's first democratic government. Important question. The inaugurational ceremonies took place in the Lovely Arena, open wooden theatre, Lovely Sandstone Amphitheatre, President House. It is important one. Learn it. So right option is option C, Lovely Sandstone Amphitheatre. Where was the ceremony held? Union Buildings in Pretoria, Union Buildings in America, Union Buildings in France, or Union Buildings in Washington? Yes, choose your option. So right option is A, B, or C, or D. Yes, so right option is option A, Union Buildings in Pretoria. A man who takes away another man's freedom is, एक इंसान जो दूसरे इंसान की आज़ादी छीन लेता है. A prisoner of superiority, a prisoner of lust, a prisoner of self, a prisoner of hatred. So right option is डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, गलत नहीं करना है। ऑप्शन डी, अ प्रिजनर ऑफ हेट्रेड। सो सिंपल क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट ट्रूली फ्री इफ आई एम टेकिंग अवे अदर्स फ्रीडम, taking away others' money, others' cow, others' property. So right option is, don't waste your time. Do it fast. Option A, taking away others' freedom. What is South Africa rich in? Minerals and gems, wheat, rice, petroleum. Which one? Tick, 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 tick. Your time is up. Option A, minerals and gems. What type of government was chosen in South Africa? Racial government, a democratic government, a non-racial democratic government, racial democratic government. Confusing है? So choose your option wisely. So right option is yes, option C, a non-racial democratic government. Who came to witness the ceremony? सेरेमनी को कौन कौन विटनेस देखने आए थे? Dignitaries of America, dignitaries of people from different nations, people wearing different colors, politicians. Which one? So easy question and important one. So right option is option B. The narrator learnt that his boyhood freedom was an excited period, a storm, a promise, an illusion. Select your option. I think you have selected. Right option is option D, illusion. The author's age at the time of the inauguration was 80 years, 75 years, 79 years, 70 years. Select your option. So right option is option B, 75 years. The people of South Africa created a system of racial domination against dark-skinned people, rough-skinned, white-skinned, fair-skinned. Which one? Confusing है. It may be wrong. गलत हो सकता है. Question को बहुत sincerely पढ़ना है. So right option is option A, dark-skinned people. Easy and important. How many countries' representatives came to attend the ceremony? 140, 150, 200, 210. So right option is option A, 140. What is the meaning of apartheid? Discrimination on the basis of caste, race, to address the guest, a duty or a commitment to eradicate the system. Which one? Select your option. Apartheid. Important question. Important. Right option is option A, discrimination on the basis of caste, race. One more important. Wajiva. Who did not take the oath with Nelson Mandela? नेल्सन मंडेला के साथ इनमें से किसने ओथ नहीं ली? मिस्टर डी क्लार्क, थाबो एम्बेकी, or both took the oath, or none of these? So right option is ऑप्शन सी, बोथ टुक द ओथ. दोनों ने ही ओथ ली थी. Who said the following statement? The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. Nelson Mandela, Mr. D. Clark, Thabo Mbeki, Walter Sisulu. Important one, really. So right option is yes. Learn नहीं तो learn कर लेना. Right option is Nelson Mandela, option A. Oppressor is a prisoner of hatred, prejudice, narrow-mindedness, all of these. Select your option A, B, C or D. Selected. So match your answer. Correct answer is option D, all of these. As a student, he wanted freedom to stay out at night, to read books of his choice, marrying and having a family, both A and B. Select your option. It is also important one. So right option is option D, both A and B. Question 24 and 25 are in homework. So complete your homework. and send me your answer in comment box. So today's test is over and I hope you enjoyed this test. If you have any doubt, any complaint, any suggestion, then write in comment box. So best of luck for your first term examination. God bless you all.